Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial demonstration on if brake cleaner actually works to clean off engine grease. So this is the top of a 2000 or a 91 Honda 4-Trax. So I'm going to do just a quick scrub. So that's without the brake cleaner. Now let's see what happens when I do it. I'm going to do it just to the side of it a little bit. Give it a little spray, give it a little bit of time to soak in. We'll see what happens, see if it comes off any easier. So you can see I did a couple passes on the last one, do a couple passes on this one. So as you can see, just doing the same amount of work, just barely pushing down just a little bit. It shines it up quite a bit more. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to redo all this engine. So here's the before picture of it. The whole top end looks like that. I'll take a picture at the end, or a video of what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I ended up taking a wire brush to it. There's still a little few things on here, but for the most part it's pretty clean compared to what it was. If you can remember just how dirty it was. So that's what I did. Like I said, there's still a little bit of oil on there, nothing too big. Got most of it off. First I used just a normal scrub brush, then I used a wire brush. Let me walk you around to the other side. So this was completely covered in oil. I got it all off. And this was completely covered in oil, and I got it off as well. So it works pretty good. I used both brake cleaner and some degreaser. It seemed like the degreaser worked a little bit better for me, but I don't know if that's always the case. But if you have any questions, let me know.